Customers have been asking us, where's the backing plate for e-track rails? Of course, e-tracks don't need one, since they hold up well on their own for years or decades, but everyone feels safer with a seatbelt, right? And everyone does need installation bolts and nuts. Say hello to ultra-secure e-track mounting kit. With 4 zinc-plated steel locking backplate and 16 bolts, nuts, and washers, this installation pack gives you everything you need to install 2 or 5 footers easily and smartly. If you're worried your e-track will shift over time, or not hold tightly, go the extra step for solid security and peace of mind. 4-pack, compatible with all standard universal e-tracks. E-track rails have bolting holes on both sides, 2 apart on centers. This 6x6.5 ultra-secure zinc-plated steel plate has 2 holes 4 apart on centers on both sides, skipping a rail hole. There are several additional holes to give flexibility if you want to use this for non-standard e-track plates or single slots. Zinc-plated for corrosion and rust resistance. E-track rail and plate together are nearly 1/4 high. Even accounting for the 7/16 diameter, 7/32 high hex nuts and 3/4 diameter flat washers, the 2 long, 7/16 diameter hex bolts have enough length for 1-3/8 thick mounting surfaces. Works in metal or wood floors and walls. You won't regret the greatest investment for 100% comfort, ease, and safety. E-track installation kit mounting backplate lockplate locking installing plate e-track rails. Top reviews from the United States. Plates line up perfectly to the e-track system. I got these for an enclosed trailer where I am hauling full-size Harleys and needed to make sure there was ample support for the e-track that the bikes were secured to. These plates were perfect. The only complaint is that the bolts are a little thin and I'd feel better if they were more like 3/8. But otherwise, I don't think the e-track is going anywhere since I've also secured it every 16 to the frame's aluminum cross members.